10-hour power outage to affect Johannesburg areas today. Eskom planned maintenance will result in a 10-hour power outage in parts of Johannesburg. The maintenance is scheduled for Thursday, February 15th. Eskom said there will be electricity supply disruption in Fourways due to maintenance that will be conducted on the distribution network. The power outage will affect customers in Craigavon and Douglasdale on Thursday, February 15th from 8 to 1800 hours. The interruption of electricity is necessary to perform essential maintenance on our distribution power lines, Eskom said. Eskom said in the interest of safety, customers should treat all electrical appliances as live at all times during the power outage. Eskom apologizes for any inconvenience that may be caused by this maintenance. Should circumstances beyond the control of Eskom arise, the planned electricity maintenance may not proceed as communicated, the power utility said. Please subscribe for more news updates. This is Leah for the South African.